Hey traders, welcome back. Today is Saturday, May 11th. This is my week in review. Let's see what happened this week. All these options expired on the 10th yesterday, so had this SoundHound AI. It was a strike price of $5.50. It almost went in the money, so I decided to, I think I rolled this out. It rolled to $5.17, so I rolled it out to here and bumped it up by 50 cents, so the strike price is now $6. This cost me $5 to buy it back. I collected $5, and so the result was a kind of a wash. And then on the new trade, I collected $5. WBD, this is a test stock that I'm helping a friend with, taking a trade with her. This expired worthless, so I collected a strike price of $8.50. Collected $20 for that. PLTR, I had a $24.50 call on this, which expired worthless. Collected a lot of premium, $121 for that. Also PLTR, 2 contracts as a put for $23.50. This was assigned, and I'm kind of looking to pick up some PLTR. It's gone down quite a bit lately, but I think it's going to go up. I've got a lot of faith in this stock. Collected a lot of premium, $3.36 for that. Let's take a look at PLTR real quick. Yeah, it's gone down. It's like $20 right now, $20.53. So it's gone way down, but the earnings were good, and I think there's a lot of potential for this year. I think it's just a small dip. There's been a lot of weird things happening recently with companies coming out, and their earnings are good, and they beat all their marks, and then the stock goes in the opposite direction. I don't know what that's all about. It's kind of some wonky stuff going on in the economy these days, but PLTR, I'm bullish on this one. In the future, I want to pick up some shares and sell calls on them and hold them for appreciation. AI, I've held this stock for a while, selling under my cost, but this did expire. I collected $32 for this at a strike price of $26. I think my cost of acquisition is like $32 or something. So it's risky to, $32.25. It's risky to trade under your cost, but there's really no premium there to do that. So I'm just keeping an eye on those things. And I did 2 contracts there, so I collected $32. SOXL, this was rolled. I collected $32 there at my $44 strike price. That's my cost of acquisition. Roll this out to $5.17. So SOXL here, $5.17. Collected another $56 there. Unity Software, I had a call on that for 2 contracts. This is another one that's pretty far down from my original price. Strike price was $27. And I collected $156 for those 2 contracts. And then PLTR, I did another cash accrued put on that for 1 contract, and that was assigned, so I collected $95 for that. So now I can do 4 contracts at a time. You can see down here my new trades. PLTR did 4 contracts there, so there's not a lot of premium, only $10 per contract right now because it's so far down, but I was able to collect $40 for the 4 contracts, and we'll just keep watching this, see if PLTR goes up, and maybe the premium will be more in the future for selling calls. But I'm hoping that it's going to go up, and appreciate past my cost of acquisition. Other new trades expiring this Friday are SoFi. Made that trade on the 5th. It's in process. Strike price is $7.80. Collected $10 there. We went over the SOXL, SoundHound AI. That's in the process. My average cost is $7.50, and it's trading right around $5, so I'm way down on that. So I'm just, again, trading under my cost. I've still got a little faith in this, but I'm just trying to collect some premium along the way, and watching this so it doesn't go in the money. But it's not a huge amount. I'm just trying to hold on to this. I might let it go if it goes in the money. We'll see. AI did another 2 contracts there, $8 each, so $16. There's not a lot of premium with these because the market's gone down so much. Same again with PLTR, just went over that. WBD, I just did another covered call on that at strike price of $8.50. Collected $6 there. That's my cost of acquisition, WBD. Warner Brothers, cost is $8.50, so I like trade options, sell call. There's really not a lot above my cost of acquisition. So, at least I'm going to break even if these get called away. So I'm okay if these get called away. It's not a problem. SoundHound, again, went over that. And then Unity Software did another set of covered calls in this. Only $4 per contract. It's 2 contracts, so only made $8. But all in all, so far this month, I'm up to $935 total premium. So that's really good. I'm halfway through the month. It's not even halfway through the month. It's only the 11th. So there's at least 2 more weeks to go in May. And my goal is to get $1,000 a month in premium. So the market's gone down. There's not a lot of premium right now for these calls, but last week there was a lot of premium. And that's about it for this week. It's kind of a short week, not a lot of activity. And I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, make sure to hit subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.